Hello kids, today we learn shapes. Shapes to shapes, draw and colors. First, red color. And we draw red color circle. Wow! And blue color is triangle. We draw triangle. And green color is square, and we draw square. And orange color is pentagon. Let's draw pentagon. And yellow color is rectangle. We draw rectangle. And let's see how we draw shapes. Wow! There's circle. Yeah, this is triangle, square, pentagon, and this is rectangle. Wow, this is very beautiful. And draw, and let's learn colors. First, red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color and green color. First, we color circle, red color. Circle is red color. Circle किस कलर का था? रेड कलर का. Wow! And triangle is blue color. हमने शेप्स को कितना अच्छा बनाया. अब हम सेम कलर कर देंगे इसमें. किड्स, आप प्लीज मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें फॉर मोर इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो. स्क्वायर इज ग्रीन कलर. Pentagon is orange color. And rectangle is yellow color. Wow! Red color circle, blue color triangle, green color square, orange color pentagon, yellow color rectangle, square, triangle, pentagon, circle, red color. triangle blue color, square green color, rectangle yellow color, pentagon orange color, circle. Please kids like my video and subscribe my channel for more video. Bye bye kids, see you next video.